This video is all about making money with LiveGood the lazy way. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online full-time for years. And even if you're not lazy, but just looking for a super simple way to make more money, lots of money, stick with me. This video is for you. Hey, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so yet. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I do read and respond to all of them. So first, a little background on LiveGood. LiveGood is a membership program with the best nutritional products available at the very lowest prices. It's kind of like buying at Costco, and it's a powerful income opportunity with a lucrative compensation plan. Anyone can build LiveGood. No special skills or experience are needed. And here's how to do it the lazy way and start making money today. When you join LiveGood as an affiliate, you will get your own website just like this, but personalized with your name and unique web address. I spent $11 on a domain name to make it easier to give people my web address. When people type in wannalivebetter.com in their browser or their phone, they end up here, lazy simple. So you just send people to your website, that's it. No sales funnel to set up, no emails to write and send out. You don't have to create anything. The LiveGood system does it all. It gives you everything you need to make money easier and faster, even if you're lazy. This video gets people to reserve a free temporary position on your team and start building their team before they invest a dime. The system actually starts placing people under you as they do the same thing. Watch this video. I was blown away when I saw how powerful it was. It converts like crazy. And then the LiveGood system starts sending them an email every day for 30 days, telling them more about the LiveGood opportunity and helping them make the decision to get started. It's really that simple. Even lazy people can do it. And when you join my LiveGood team, I have a private members webpage where I share lazy, simple ways to get people to your website for free all day long. Things you can do whenever it's convenient for you, even if it's 3 in the morning. It's that simple. Many lazy people start making money their very first day on our LiveGood team. You can get paid every Thursday by direct deposit. You don't even have to take a check to the bank. And LiveGood pays out passive or recurring income too. You know, money that can keep coming in month after month. Imagine getting paid months from now for what you do today. Excellent training and support are provided. I will be your personal mentor and coach. And no, this is not one of those MLM things where you have to buy a bunch of products each month. To learn more about this lazy, simple way to make money with LiveGood, watch the video right now. Go to my website at wannalivebetter.com. See how much money you can make without enrolling a single person. It really is the most exciting company in the whole industry. Again, that's wannalivebetter.com. Go ahead and check it out now. We'll talk soon.